how to edit contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, okay, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, okay, go to browser. Okay, tap the browser. Here in browser settings and autofill section, you can see here this see contact info. So if you want to edit the contact info, okay, you'll have to do is go to see contact info here. And now you can see the contact info available here. So for my example, I edit or I change the name of this contact info. You'll have to do is tap the edit button. And for my example, I change Chad into Richard. And after that, after you change or edit, tap the save button below. Okay, information has been saved. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully edit contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.